Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pearl. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create this look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Go into my Morphe 35 palette and I'm going to grab the white shade in the top left. And I'm going to grab it on a Morphe brush. It looks like this. I'm just going to apply that right into my brow bone. Next I'm going to apply Bitten to my lid and I'm going to put it directly into the crease. And I'm going to use my Sigma E25 brush to do it. Next I'm going to go back into my Morphe 35 palette and I'm going to grab this shade here. And I'm going to use that shade to blend my brow bone and the Bitten shade together. Now I'm going back in with that Bitten shade. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and grab Embark and I'm going to grab it on a Morphe brush. And I'm just going to apply that just below that Bitten shade. I'm also packing this on the inner and outer corner of my eye. The concealer I'm using is the Master Conceal by Maybelline and Sigma F70 brush. I'm just going to start off in the middle and I'm going to blend it out. And grab this tiny Morphe brush and I'm going to a mustard shade from the 35 palette and I'm going to apply it in the inner and outer corners of the concealer. I'm going to go in with the same shade on my brow bone. I'm going to put it in the center. So I'm going to grab that Embark shade and I'm just going to blend out the corners. Just going to use a liquid liner. It's called Liquid Ink by Essence. Now I'm going in with Bitten on a Sigma E20 and I'm going to apply it right on the lash line. Now I'm just going to apply Corrupt by Makeup Geek on a flat brush. And I'm going to put it right in the corner here. I'm going to grab the Fenty Foundation with my Sigma F60 brush. I normally just grab 1.5 pumps. Set my face with the Kryolan Blending Powder and my Sigma F15 brush. Now I'm going to bronze up my face with my contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Mine's in the light medium. And I'm going to grab my Sigma F35 brush. Now I'm going to go into my Klara Cosmetics palette and I'm going to grab this shade and I'm going to apply it to the highest points of my face. I'm going to grab this Intense Butter Gloss by NYX. This is in the shade Apple Crisp. Okay, now that's it for today's video. If you did like what you saw, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on your way out.